Okay, so once you have done the two arms, so that looks, one arm looks like this, the other arms look like this. Alright, just screw them just a little tiny bit in. Now next part is I'm going to show you is to how to attach the arms on the side. Ali, come this side. So you'll see holes here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we need to push the arms with the metals inside the holes. One is gone. So just push them in. Now turn the sofa. Open the storage. And you will have these black caps to tighten the screw. So basically use this to tighten it from the inside. You need 4 of them. Just go 4 metal rods to tighten. Then the back side as well. So you need to do this for both arms, one left, one right. That's it, stop it.
Yeah.
So